Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to explore geometric sequences. By the end of this video, you should understand geometric sequences and how they work and calculate any term in a sequence. Let's start off by defining what a geometric sequence is. A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant called the common ratio, denoted by R. R is our common ratio. Just like in arithmetic sequences, we have our D. In geometric sequences, we have our R. For example, let's consider the following sequence: 3, 6, 12, 24. To start off, let's do what we did last video and test if this is an arithmetic sequence. To do this, we just do A2 minus A1, and this should be equal to A3 minus A2. Let's test it. 6 minus 2 equal to 12 minus 6. 6 minus 2 is 4, and 12 minus 6 is 6. This is not true, so this is not an arithmetic sequence. Now, let's test to see if this is a geometric sequence. To do this, we do A2 over A1 should be equal to A3 over A2. A2 over A1, 6 over 3, should be equal to 12 over 6. 6 over 3 is 2, and 12 over 6 is also 2. So yes, this is a geometric sequence. Not only that, but we know that our common ratio, our R, is equal to 2. We can also see this in our sequence as 3 times 2 is equal to 6, 6 times 2 is equal to 12, 12 times 2 is equal to 24, and so on. So, let's present our formula. We also have a formula for geometric sequences, a general term, and this is AN is equal to A1 times R n minus 1, where AN is your nth term, A1 is your first term, so in this case 3, R is your common ratio, and n is the position of the sequence. Let's create a general term for our geometric sequence. AN is equal to A1, so 3 times R, which we know is 2, n minus 1. This is our geometric sequence general term, and we can test this as well. Let's try and find A3, which would be 12. 3 times 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 is 3 times 2 to the power of 3 minus 1, which is 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. Let's test it with our second term, for example. 3 times 2 to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 times 2, 6. So we know that this general term works. Let's try and find the fifth term, A5. Well, very simple. A5 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 5 minus 1. This is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16, and this is equal to 48. So, the next value here, after A4, A5 is going to be 48, and we can test this. 24 times 2, that is 48, of course. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood, and check my next video in which I will be explaining the sum formula for geometric sequences.